Y'all, your girl just got back in the house. It's so hot outside. I feel so dehydrated. All right, y'all. Today's Sunday, October 11th. But yeah, I just got back in the house. I went to Family Dollar to grab some garbage bags and some clear organized storage thing for my Q-tips and cotton balls, okay? And when I got there, I found fridge organization bins. I was going to order them from Amazon, but I didn't get that many. I got a little bit, I think 3-4 pieces to arrange in my kitchen and see how it looks. And if I like it, if I like the way it looks, if I see that because I have a small fridge, if I see that there's more space for, you know, to do better, then I'm gonna go back and get some more. Come here. Why are you taking them out of your hair? No, you don't do that.
Sorry.
Okay. So let's start. First, I went to Dollar Tree to try to find the clear bins for my bathroom. I want to put my Q-tips and my cotton balls in something like clear, so, you know, aesthetically pleasing. Alright, so the only thing Bella had a good trip at Dollar Tree, honey. She got all her little toys, whatever. I got this black over the door hook for my bathroom where I can hang my robe and stuff like that, towels to dry and things like that. And then I got this little measuring cup I'm going to put in the bin that I have my rice in. So yeah, so I got that. Now from Family Dollar, ooh, this was a good trip. I got some fabric softener because I'm going to do some laundry today while editing. I got this thing to put my oil. Okay, so yeah, I got this oil to put my oil in. We'll do that in a few. I'm about to set everything up with y'all. Okay, this is a new weekly vlog. I'm still editing the one that's supposed to be posted tomorrow morning. I started last night, but then I got on a video call with my cousins. I got a video call with my friend, FaceTime. We went FaceTime for over an hour. Then I got on one with my cousins around midnight. We didn't hang up till like 2 in the morning. I'm living a wild life out here. It's wild. My life is wild, okay? But, alright, so let's see. These are glass here. I gotta be careful. Okay, so this is what I was looking for my cotton balls in the Q-tips. This is a twist aluminum thing, but it'll do. I kind of wanted the one with the metal thing, but all the ones that they had, it had either like a red top, green top, purple top. I didn't want no color. I wanted just plain Jane. So this would do. So this one, the biggest one, I think I'll put all my cotton balls in there because it's more. And I got a shorter one to put all the Q-tips in. So I like the fact that they're different size. I feel like I like it. Okay, it's me. So now onto the fridge organization. And listen, you guys, these are really sturdy. They're not that cheap material. They're extremely sturdy. They were $5 each. Okay, so I got one right here. This is the biggest bin size. This is the biggest one. It's really big. I don't know. I got a smaller one. This is going to be for Isabella juice pouch. I'm gonna put her juice pouch in this. And then I got the egg one. I have My bathroom, like I told you guys, I did get shit together last night and I cleaned it out, and this is where we are so far with the bathroom. So these products here I want to keep on the counter, but I just realized today that I have this whole thing here that's empty, so I'm going to fit these, my skincare stuff. All right, you guys, so I did move most of the stuff. These are the items that couldn't fit, and that's fine. Now it looks way better. It's so less cluttered. These are the items that could fit in here, but yeah, so I'm about to spray, I'm about to clean these two mirrors, you guys. And oh, before I go, and this is the other part of the bathroom, the other organizational thing that I did. I'm running out of toilet paper. I was gonna put something else in the middle, but I feel like it could be more toilet paper. So I'm gonna leave that. When I go to the store get some more toilet paper, this is going to be where I put my toilet paper and Q-tips and cotton balls. But you guys see the vision, the silver that goes great with the gray on the floor. It goes well with the gray and the whole decor. It's coming together, you guys. It's only like day 3. We moved Thursday. Friday was day 1. Yeah, today's Sunday, day 3. So we have time. We're getting it together. Say hello.
I need you to
Okay, what? This nigga, I can die. Hi, Cindy. Roberto. Oh, I forgot his name. Patrice. Sabriana. Baby Noah. I need to zoom on him.
Get the camera off.
He's unbothered.
Nana, what you doing?
What y'all doing?
Hair?
Huh? Hair? That's a brush for your hair? Guys, you guys want to say hi? Nana, say hi.
Hi, Yala.
Say hi, guys. They were doing it. They were both drinking it. That's what they were doing.
No.
Y'all, I forgot I was vlogging. I forgot to show you what my food looked like because I tore it up. Y'all. This is what's left of it. I ate all my Brussels sprouts that was over here. My salmon is almost done. But yeah, you guys, so I don't know if I'm gonna vlog going out tomorrow, but I'll catch y'all tomorrow. I don't even need to say, you guys know the closet is not happening tonight, so see y'all tomorrow. Okay, bye. Good morning, y'all. Good morning. Today's Monday, October 12th. I woke up this morning. I had to run some errands, and just 2 important errands I had to run, so got that done. Now I'm back home. My weekly vlog was supposed to be up by 8 a.m. y'all, but last night it was around midnight when I was finally done editing, and I was trying to upload it and schedule it for 8 a.m. and my internet went down. My internet went down, you guys, and I had to, like, according to Spectrum, there was a whole outage in the area. So but it is now up. It's just processing, and I'm working on the thumbnail. But anyways, you guys, so yeah, and after that we're gonna tackle the closet. So yeah, I just wanted to catch you guys up to speed with what's going on for today. Look at this skin, honey. I've been doing my little skincare or whatever. My dark spots are going away. My eyebrows, you know, I got it micro shaded, and it's looking bomb.
Yeah.
All right, you guys, let me get this thumbnail up. I'll catch y'all later. But anyway, you guys, these are all of Isabella's clothes and my bathing suit and some of my underwears as well. These are my robes over there. I have one pink robe down there. These are more clothes for me and Bella that we don't wear that I'm gonna throw out. Some of them are here too. This bag is Mac's clothes. I just started tackling his clothes. So the first drawer is always for underwear and stuff like that. I need to get some drawer organizers. And yeah, so these are everyday clothes that are folded. I have way more clothes than him. So this is my underwear drawer and house clothes. Damn, I put a little bit too much in this drawer. And some more house clothes down here. Not even gonna try to open it all the way. And I folded the rest of them, added them on here. So the ones that are hanging, they will be hanging from up there. I don't know if we're gonna share this, and then this side is going to be his. But I'm thinking of taking all these clothes out and just make this like with my purses, just stack my purses up there. I might just do that.
Days of that committee action, and Republicans that I've spoken with say
now we recording. Okay, all right, y'all, so I'm back. It is way past the time that I thought I would be done with both mine and Isabella's closet. I feel extremely productive today, you guys, so I'm going to show you guys what I have for the closet right now. All right, the lighting in here is very yellowish, but this is the finished product for the closet. This filing cabinet, it was here. I told you guys I wanted to move it. This right here, I have to go through it and see what I'm keeping and what I'm throwing out. But so these dresses, I was going to throw them away, but I decided to keep them last minute. That's why they're still on the floor. The white one was my baby shower dress with Isabella. So this is Mac's side. His shoes, his clothes, and up there's all the pants. I put them up. These are my purses that I decided to keep. The rest I threw out. These are all my my clothes. I have my dresses first, and then cardigan, and then sweaters, and then jackets all the way at the bottom. I had some left over right down here, and I have clothes folded all on this shelf, but you can't see it due to these clothes hanging up. And then I have my heels, the little few heels that I have, 5 pairs, and then I have the rest of my shoes down there, tennis shoes and all of that other good stuff. They're all down here. So now the floor is free, and out here and here also my bed is free because I had a whole bunch of clothes on my bed. Now we're gonna make our way to Bella's closet so I can show you guys what I came up with. I'm going to pause Bella's phone just for a minute for copyright purposes. I don't know, Cocomelon, I don't know if they have copyright, but I ain't trying to find out. So in here, this is supposed to be her new dirty clothes like hamster, but hamper. Well, I see hamster, hamper, but I'm still using her old one as of currently because I'm still trying to figure out a toy situation. But this is that. I have her clothes folded, pajamas, house clothes, her dresses, her jackets, and her shoes down here, diaper, not really diaper, training pants, and then I have her undies and socks in this little basket because you guys, I'm trying to figure out storage. I don't know if I'm gonna go with a dresser. I don't know yet what we're gonna do. Ooh, battery's dying. Just turned the camera on and battery's dying. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, you guys. Then today is Wednesday, October 14. Ooh, damn. Okay, here we go. It's past noon for sure. It's 2:58. Let's say it's 3 o'clock. I haven't picked up the camera to vlog all day. I had a very early day. Woke up at 6 in the morning to go take care of some stuff. I was back home by 8:30, 9 o'clock. Took a nap, woke up around noon, and I've just been wandering around the house, not doing anything. So Alright, you guys, I forgot to give y'all a review. I forgot to give her a little review of the Skims bralette. I got it in the brown chocolate color. I wear it around the house. I wear it to bed. To be honest with you, let me put the camera down. Here we go. Yeah, I wear it around the house. I wear it to bed. It's very comfortable. I don't have no I got a size large. My bra size is a I am a size I am a 34 triple D. So I got the Skims bralette in a size large. I don't have, oh, this boob is not all the way to it. But yeah, I got the Skims in a large. I don't have no under boob, no side boob. I really love it. I wear it all the time, all day. You know what? I like to be braless. I bought this so I could wear a bra more, actually. But yeah, it still gives me some support. It's not like my Victoria's Secret bra with the wire, but it does the job to me. I really love it. It's really soft and I can go to sleep with it. I don't feel comfortable. I can run around in the house, lay on the couch. My Victoria's Secret bras, it holds everything together, have my boobs like this, but on the wire always give me issues on the side and underneath after a certain number of hours. But this one I can wear all day, all night. I love it. I only ordered one because I wasn't sure how I would like it, but now I'm definitely gonna place another order and get a few more items